Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with the third day of my 12 days with Louis Vuitton. So I have the third item here and I am so excited to show it with you guys right here. So let me show you what I got, and it's on a dust bag. I always try to put it in the dust bag when I don't use it, just to protect the item. So here comes the third item, and it is a Louis Vuitton pocket organizer. Wow. I mean, I don't know, because I was at the store at that time when I spoke to my essay, and so she told me to just like look around, and while she's preparing my item, and all of a sudden I was in the men's section. So I said like, wow, this one is actually very interesting. Are these for men? So the color for this is like a little bit like strange. That's because usually with men's collection, they tend to get their items more likely in masculine colors. But with this particular color, with a pop of color, I wasn't really even sure about it. But like I mentioned in my previous videos, that I have this Tigerama collection with all those beautiful pop of colors, and then I said, okay, wow, this is actually in men's collection. And when I looked at it from the very beginning, I didn't really like it so much. That's because it is compact, it is small, and when you open it, there is just 1, 2, 3 card slots. So I was like a little bit disappointed, because I know for the fact that this one is priced as $390 US. That's before tax. And so, for all those 3 card slots right here, I just find it a little bit pricey for that though. And then I said, okay, I might want to, and then my essay explained it to me that this little teeny tiny thing could actually fit a ton of cards. So she showed it to me, the card slots, and how to use this thing, and I am quite impressed. Really, I am quite impressed with how much this card holder could fit in. So anyway, let me show you how many cards could fit on this beauty right here. So there is 1, 2, 3 card slots in here, and before I'll show you that, this one is made up of I think it was Macasa coated canvas, and with this beautiful smooth cowhide leather right here at the back. This one is also made up of canvas as well, and the inside, it is a mixture of this grained cowhide leather, and the canvas. It is gorgeous. It looks very attractive. It's gorgeous with this beautiful pop of color. It is amazing. And on top of that, you could just easily slip this in any of your purse, because it is tiny. So I got the one that's made in France. This one didn't have a date code. That's because this was crafted this year. And wow, just by the look at it, it is stunning. So I'm going to give you a closer look on this beauty right here at the back. And the stitching as well right here with this neon yellow color. As you guys can see, the color is actually the same right there. It's also a neon yellow as well. On the side, very lovely. On the inside as well, it's a really nice and beautiful contrast. And yeah, with the canvas, it's just like that. The stitching is actually in this dark brown. So anyway, let me show you how much card could this fit. So let me start with from the top. So we have one card right here, one. So this is the second one. And then we have the third card over here. And also, I didn't even realize from the very beginning that this one right here in front is also a card slot. So let me just put this one right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is just for reference, guys. And also, on the corner right here, there is a card slot as well. I think this part right here in this corner, I think you could fit more than one cards in here, but I'm not gonna do that. So anyway, on the other side as well, there is a slot where you could also put a card. Wow, it's amazing. And then we have also on this corner right here, okay, another card. And then this side as well, another slot for your card. And that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there were 8 cards on the inside. And let me close this. There is another card slot at the back, which, yeah, could fit a card. So all in all, this could fit 9 cards. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So it's all up to you guys if you wanted to double it, but I would not suggest to double it. That's because in this part right here, you don't want to put pressure because that would have ripped in time, you know. So that's the reason why I didn't really want to double mine. Wow, and this little tiny thing, I did not expect that this could fit 9 cards. I think 9 cards are actually more than enough. That's already plenty. So yeah, you have the driver's license, your most used cards, and other cards. So I think this one is actually perfect. And now this one is priced as $390 US. Obviously, this one has already been sold out. Yeah, they sold out pretty fast, pretty quickly, especially with this particular color. And I remember they also came in with the blue as well, but the blue is not a neon blue. It is just like a blue color. It's a little bit more likely a cobalt. So I just like this one better because I think this color is more likely in a unisex side. So I was on the website and I checked this, and wow, it is truly available on the men's section. And this is my very first pocket organizer, and obviously this is not going to be my last because maybe next year the Tigerama collection would come up with a pocket organizer as well, and I'm looking forward to add more colors in my collection. And I am telling you guys that this is highly affordable for a Louis Vuitton piece, very functional as well. For $390 US, that is highly affordable for Louis Vuitton. There is glazing right here. It is actually, this one is actually made it really thick though. So you guys can see right here, it is very thick. And looking at the glazing right now, the glazing is actually looking good, except for this part right here. Maybe this one is not a, yeah, I think that's a part of it. I don't think that's an issue. But so far, yeah, the glazing is looking pretty good right here, and it smells really good as well. So I only use this a handful of times. That's because I have quite a lot of card holders from Louis Vuitton, and I actually switch them from time to time, sometimes every 2 weeks, sometimes weekly, so that I could make use of all of my collection. So Usually I don't see a lot of wear and tear on my collection. That's because I rotate them. So that is the whole idea of my collection, is just not to use one and then keep using it until they wear out and buy a new one. No, that's not my intention. I would like to get to build my collection and then use them, rotate them, and eventually, of course, if you know how to take care of it, it will last a lifetime. And also, yeah, this one is, I considered this as one of my most delicate wallet. That's because of the color. So far, I didn't see any color transfer at all. But eventually, if I use this, and if you have a black interior of your purse, and I'm a little bit scared that I might get a color transfer in this. So yeah, pretty much I have to be very, very careful in using something that's in this bright color for that reason. And basically, even with my vachetta, I'm even being extra careful because I know once it gets damaged, it gets some watermark or stained, it is going to be so hard to get rid of it. But anyway, so yeah, this is my third item for my 12 days of Louis Vuitton. I hope that this video is helpful if you guys are looking for a pocket organizer that is useful and the best value for your money. This is a perfect item to go. Absolutely. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the fourth day. Bye.